Hi, today we're going to learn how to set our preferences in Moodle, and you can see you find your name at the top right corner, and we will go there, and that's our profile. And so you go into your profile and set the preferences there, edit profile, and here we have, I've already filled it out, but here you can put your name, your surname or family name. You can Um, put your email address. You have to put your email address there. All of these things have to be done. I have it set so that only course members can see my email address. And you go down into um, the country. You could put your city if you want to, and importantly, your time zone. Um, and I have mine set for Berlin because that's my time zone, and then I don't miss anything. It tells me when things are happening in my time. And then here you can give a description about yourself. I've already done that. And you can upload a picture. I did that here already, and that's my picture. And you can just upload it from files from your computer. Um, and then after you're done adding all of those things, don't forget you have to click the update profile. And there you have it. The other thing you can do on here is you can manage your badges. Um, If I click on Manage Badges, it shows that I don't have any badges at the moment. Let's go back. I think I have to go to Backpack Settings. And in order to get Backpack Settings, I think I have to put my, oh, here down here it says Connect to Backpack. So let's give my email address. Oops. Gmail.com. Check the spelling, okay. And I think I go down to Connect to Backpack here. Oops, I have a problem. Okay, I have backpack. It says not connected. Email address associated. Yeah. While you are connected, any badges earned in the site will be associated with this email address. Okay, and that is my email address, so I'm not sure what the problem is. But I will ask Nellie. Maybe she can tell me. Okay, anyway, after I've connected to badges, maybe I have to push return here. I'm not sure. Connect to backpack. Okay, well, I'll have to ask about that. That should be how it works. In any case, I've been able to update my profile and check my preferences. And once I have my badges, I should be able to go to badges and then it will tell me about my badges and it will automatically show it when I earn them. Okay, I think that's it.